Aloha Oli fam, Darren Fryer, M2 Star Coach, and the purpose of this video is to help you guys get a better understanding of the different OlyLife wallets. We have the e-wallet, bonus wallet, repurchase wallet, and shopping wallet that I'll be covering in these slides. And then afterwards, I'll do a brief little tour of the back end to get you guys more familiar with navigating the back office. So the first of the wallets is the e-wallet. It's known as the OlyLife internal wallet. So you're actually able to instantly transfer money from your bonus wallet into the e-wallet. And you could use this to fund accounts internally. So when you're checking out, you're filling out the member submission report, you might see at the bottom, it says credit card payment. You could open that window and EC payment is one of the options. That stands for e-wallet credits. And that's where you could actually check out, purchase the machine with your e-wallet balance. And you're able to send funds to other OlyLife distributor accounts. So if you wanted to send some funds to someone else in OlyLife, you could get their member ID and you could do an e-wallet transfer to send them e-wallet funds. The next wallet is known as the bonus wallet. This is our most important one. This is where the commissions from all the 6 different bonuses in the comp plan get deposited the next day. Money you can actually withdraw into your crypto wallet and into your bank account, and soon we'll be able to order an OlyLife debit card where you could actually transfer funds to the card to spend and use this bonus wallet fund. So this is your withdrawable commissions. This is cool because remember, we're paid daily. So when you earn bonuses, performance, tier bonus, binary, coaching, the next day, usually the next evening, depending on what time zone you're in, the money from the previous day when that countdown at the top of your back office closes will appear in your bonus wallet the very next day. It's important to understand that 80% of the commissions from the comp plan move directly into the bonus wallet. The other 20% move into your repurchase wallet. So the next wallet is called the repurchase wallet. So this is basically the wallet that's known as the OlyLife savings account. So 20% of all the commissions you earn move automatically into the repurchase wallet, 80% into the bonus wallet, 20% into the repurchase wallet. This is where you'll actually be able to buy smaller devices, supplements, and other products that OlyLife will offer that won't be available to the public. So this is for people who are in OlyLife, who have the main devices. Might have seen me post before. We have like an EMS, electrical muscle stimulation neck massager. We have the water pitcher, that's molecular resonance technology for restructuring the water. I've seen some like EMF-free AirPods. There's a bunch of smaller devices that aren't going to make it to the flagship market. And those are going to be available to purchase within what's called the Oly Mall with the repurchase funds. Really cool. There's actually going to be a lot of supplements coming out. They're going to really cater these to each market. So in the US and North America, we're going to see them start to replicate a lot of the top supplements in the industry and offer those in our Oly Mall for people to buy with their repurchase wallet. So smaller devices and supplements coming very soon, or depending on when you're watching this video, they're available now. So the next wallet is known as the shopping wallet. So this one is actually like a match the company gives you. It's not coming out of your commissions, not coming out of anything from the comp plan. This is actually bonuses from the product volume split between the buyer of a product and the sponsor of that buyer. So it does not come out of commissions, to be clear. And an example is, say someone buys a P90 Plus and a Galaxy G1, $1,500 and $500. So it's a $2,000 package. And remember, 75% of the cost of these devices is the product volume. So 1,500 PV. So if you sell a device that's 1,500 PV package, so 2 devices, you will make $750 into your shopping wallet, and the buyer of those products will make $750 into their shopping wallet. So this is split. It's the PV of the product that's sold split between the buyer of the products and the sponsor of that buyer. So this does not come out of commissions. This is bonus money that's matched from the company, and it will be able to be used once our office opens on OlyLife apparel, marketing materials. I heard they're going to partner with local businesses once the office opens, and we'll be able to use the shopping wallet with other local companies. So it's going to be really cool. It's allowed you to buy these things without having to spend money out of your bank or out of your bonus wallet to get the marketing material and apparel that you're going to want to rock anyways. And then the last thing is the last window. You'll see it says total bonus income and 2-week bonus earning. So total bonus income is basically how much you've earned year to date since the inception of starting with OlyLife. So if I started on Thanksgiving, the total bonus income is going to show all the money that's gone into my bonus wallet since the day I first started OlyLife. And then the 2-week bonus earning is going to give you a little bit of a window of how much money you've made into your bonus wallet within the last 2 weeks. So that's what those are. So the next thing I'm going to do is actually go straight into sharing the back office to give you guys a little tour of that. So here's my back office. This is on one of my accounts. And you'll see we have the e-wallet, bonus wallet, repurchase wallet, shopping wallet that I just explained, total bonus income, how much I've made on this position, how much I've earned in the last 2 weeks. This is in my main account. And then you'll see at the top, you got your ID number and your name. This is basically the countdown until the end of the pay period. So whenever this counts down, whatever you've earned will appear in your bonus wallet and repurchase wallet the very next evening. And there's a lot of updates and notices from corporate that's always posted here. First thing we'll look at is the top left, my membership order. So this will actually be all the accounts you process through this account's login. So if you're logged into the back office of this member ID, all the membership orders will stay here. So you'll see the order number, the member ID of the person, the name, who the sponsor, where the placement was. You press details and you could actually check on their tracking info and numbers. So membership order, you guys can see 77 records. I got a lot of them I've processed through this account. My order will actually show you the orders that you've personally made for this position. So this bottom one, member registration, would be the machine you purchased to get this account in OlyLife, and accumulated upgrades would be other machines you bought through this account in order to upgrade the account from the 1K to the 2K or the 6K level. Next, we'll look into the data management tab. So view information, not going to show you guys all my personal info. That's where you'll see the email and the phone number. Change password is where you could change your password. All of you or most of you should be starting with a temporary password that your sponsor made for you. So you want to take that password, go here, and you'll be able to basically update and create your own personal password. Bank info is where you can set your bank account up so you can get your direct deposits. And then this is going to track accounts that you have deleted. Business management. So member registrations where you can go to actually submit an order. Here you'll have to actually manually input the placement ID. If you do go through network management, it'll actually populate automatically placement ID and placement position. But if you know the ID numbers or you're doing it on behalf of someone on your team and they gave you this info, you can just go right there to member registration and basically upgrade or place an order for someone directly. And then rank and cumulative upgrade are pretty much the same thing. This is where you're actually able to make purchases to upgrade your position. So if you're not making new accounts in people's names, you could just upgrade your account. It'll show you right here, total cumulative order for this account. So I'm at 3,100. I'm currently a P4, which is when you're at a $2,000 package or higher. And then if I were to go and add a bunch of machines, buy a couple P90 pluses, I'll basically get this thing up to 6,000, which would upgrade me to the P5 rank, which then moves you into full qualification with the coaching bonus and binary bonus and other things. So this is where you can actually add machines into your account, upgrade your position. You select the machine, put the recipient or mailing info, and you can make upgraded orders on your account. And you can actually, as you can see, EC payment, you can actually pay for these out of your e-wallet. So next we'll have network management. So network management, under network management is where you can view your genealogy, placement list, sponsor network, sponsor list. Sponsor network is going to kind of show you your coaching bonus network. Because remember, that's based on how many personals you sign up. You're getting that 10% check match off their binary income and all the people they've brought in. So you can kind of see all the people I've personally signed up are on this first generation, the people they've signed up, and the second, the people they've signed up, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation. So you can kind of see your network. These are all people that I earned that 10% on this first generation, check matching on their group sales income, and then 5% on these other generations. So that's where you can actually see that. And then we'll move into financial management. So financial management, we go to e-wallet details. It'll show you all the info of e-wallet transfers that were sent. E-wallet transfers where you transfer money from your e-wallet to someone else's e-wallet in the company. So you just need their member ID and the amount you want, and you enter your account password. Bonus wallet details will show you all the income you made. So as you can see, this is my secondary account. I earn mostly team bonus and performance bonus off of it. So it'll show you all the income moving into your bonus wallet. It'll break it down to what bonus it came from. And generally, depending on the bonus, it'll tell you the ID number of who got you that payout. If it's a group sales, if it's a tier bonus, it'll tell you A and B, which sales matched up. So this is going to be the details of what goes into your bonus wallet. Bonus wallet withdrawal is where you're able to submit a withdrawal request for your bonus wallet. So you can send those funds to your debit card for OlyLife, your bank account, or your crypto wallet. Repurchase wallet details will show you details of where the repurchase wallet money is coming from. So team bonus, coaching bonus, performance bonus. And then at the bottom, you'll see shopping wallet details. That's going to show you all the different deposits that were made into your shopping wallet balance. Nothing really here for campaign. Contact customer service if you want to reach out. Here's all the customer service information. Document Center will have the policies and procedures and the after sales service policy. And then you could always change the language between Chinese and English. So that's pretty much all you guys need to know in terms of the different wallets and a little quick tour of the back office. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Reach out to me, your sponsor, your upline. We look forward to helping you guys win.